Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another order, but just one order, and the other bracelet is going to be just a random bracelet. So stay tuned of what I will be creating with it. So I'm doing a red and gray bracelet that somebody wanted, and somebody wanted these colors. So let's get right into it. I'm not using my bead thing today, bead needle today. But how are y'all today? I'm doing fine. Trying to get more videos out. I know I said I was gonna do them like twice a day or whatever, but I have kids and y'all know how that goes. So yeah. They need their mama. But I'm gonna do the rest off camera and show y'all what I come up with when I come back. So this is what I got right here. I got, sorry for having y'all way down there, but this is what I have. And I'm doing this for adult, and I'm using this one because she says her wrist is small, so it's tiny. So I'm using the kid size so it can fit her arm. So I'll be back. Okay, this is the other pattern I'm going for. I'm about to be out of this string. So we're gonna get the beads first. I'm gonna do 4 in the pattern, but it's not gonna be like the same pattern. It's gonna be different ways in the pattern that I'm going for. And these are the smaller beads, smaller glass beads. They're not like the 8 mm beads. I think these is the 3 or 4 mm beads that I'm using. Got these all on Amazon. Everything I'm using now, I got it from Amazon. So stay tuned because I'm about to get off here and do it off camera, and then I'll be back with what it's looking like. So now this is what I have. But now I'm about to twirl it around, make sure it fits. And it does, fits perfectly. And I know I said that I wasn't going to do the clay beads, but I'm going to do them on here too. I had bought me a bead spinner, and it comes tomorrow, I think. So we'll see how that goes with it. And if I like it, then I'll do it, keep doing it. This is what I have for it. I'll probably put a charm on the next one though. But I'ma see. But yeah, I know I said I was gonna do I know I said I wasn't gonna do the clay beads because I didn't like doing them. But since I got a speed spinner, bead spinner, then I'm gonna try it out. And if I like it like that, then I'll start doing my clay beads on here. But it all depends on how. I don't like picking them up with my hands because you can't put it in the hole like you're supposed to, like it's supposed to. So that's why, that's why I don't use the clay beads. But stay tuned for the last bracelet out of that set, and I'll be back. So I am going in with the Dragonfly. I think that's what this is. It looked like a dragonfly. I might be wrong. I don't know. But I'm going in with it. So y'all can see me put it on here. But yeah. I'm going in with the Dragonfly. So it will look right. And of course it's a silver. I think that's a dragonfly or a fly or something. I really don't know what that is. Keep trying to get away from me as usual. But I'm going to do the rest off camera and come back and show you. So this is what I got right here. Tie this on up. I need to clip my fingernails again because this is what's stopping me. I can't grip the beads like I want to. That's what's really stopping me from doing what I'm doing. But here goes the final results of them. Put this in the front. Yes, just like that. This is what I went for. And like I said before, this is for an adult. Her wrist is just little. So this is what she told me her wrist size or whatever. So this is what I got right here. So stay tuned for the next bracelet set that I'm about to do. Okay, so I'm going with this cotton candy looking color. It's purple, pink, blue, and these colors. Different colors in this bead. So stay tuned. I'm going to do some off, and then I'm going to come back and do the rest on probably. I don't know. I'll probably do some now. Like I said, I'm about to run out of this thread. I already know that I am. Bring y'all up so y'all can see both. Y'all don't be telling me y'all way down there. Y'all can't see anything. I probably get my bead needle for this because I'm tired of picking it up with my fingers. I still gotta pick it up regardless with my fingers, but my fingernails is what's making me mad. So stay tuned because I'm gonna do some of this on camera like I'm doing now, then doing the rest off. So stay tuned. So this is what I got for that. That's the pattern I went for. And the different beads, colored beads. I think I've been had these beads. This is, well, I got some of them out of there, but not like I did with the other ones. So this is what it's looking like. Think I like it. I don't think I like I like this bracelet. And it fits on your arm real nicely. So yeah, this is the first bracelet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the other ones. And I'll be back. So this is the next pattern I'm going with. I probably put a charm on this one too. Not on this one, but the last one I'll do. Probably put a charm on there so that it will look right. Because like I said in the other video, I don't like doing naked bracelets. Pull y'all up. I don't like doing naked bracelets, so, well, not that, but you know what I'm saying. I like it to be right and fashion looking, you know. I don't like that just plain thick stuff. Even though the spacers is on here, I still like it to be nice. If I had a cotton candy charm to go with it, yeah. Look, now this one trying to get away. I don't know what they thinking about. But stay tuned, and I'll be back with the way it's gonna look. So I came up with this design. I'm gonna loop it on up and tie it on up. Make sure that it's on there tight like a bite and it's right, because I don't want nothing to be falling off. So this is what I have. We're gonna come back with the next one, and I have to get me some more thread because see, it's no more. So I'll be back. So this is the next design right here, and I decided I'm not gonna put no charm on there. I'm not gonna do it because I think it looks better like this. The way that I have it. So I'm not gonna put no charm on it. So this would be the last bracelet I do on here. Until I do another one. If my bead spinner come tomorrow, I'm gonna do me some clay beads. I'm thinking about doing them before y'all. I don't know yet. It may take me a minute to do that. But if not, then y'all will get one soon. I'm trying to space my videos out so I won't be crowding y'all with new ones every day or every 2 days. I'm gonna do it every 2 days. I'm thinking it depends on how I want to do my videos. I'm still thinking on it and debating how I want to do them. I want to do them twice a day, one every week, or what do y'all think I should do? If y'all love and like my videos, what y'all think I should do? But I'll be back. So this is what I came up with. Beads, 3 beads, spacer, with 2 spacers, 3 beads, 2 spacers. That's how I got the patterning going. And then I'm going to tie it up. Then snip clip away. This is the thicker thread. I use this thread right here. So, yeah. But here we go right here. The design that I got. This is cute cotton candy colors. Yep. So yeah, I want y'all to tell me how should I do my, well, y'all don't have to tell me, but I want your opinion on how should I do my videos, because I want to do them every day, but then I don't know because I want to take time and space off of them, in between them, so y'all can have a chance to look at them and like it, comment, whatever you need to do, and then the next one. But I don't know. It depends on how I feel too. So yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.